Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your cleaning routine a whole lot easier. We found this cordless vacuum cleaner, a 6-in-1 lightweight stick vacuum, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this vacuum stand out. The cordless vacuum cleaner is designed for versatility and convenience. It combines the power of a traditional vacuum with the lightweight design of a stick vacuum, making it easy to maneuver throughout your home. With its rechargeable battery, you can enjoy the freedom of cordless cleaning without being tethered to an outlet. One of the key features of this vacuum is its ability to effectively pick up pet hair. If you're a pet owner, you know the struggle of dealing with fur on your furniture and carpets. This vacuum is equipped with a motorized brush that lifts embedded pet hair from upholstery, area rugs, and even car seats. Cleaning up after your furry friends can be quick and painless with this handy tool. Another standout feature is its high-efficiency filtration system. This fully sealed system captures fine dust, pollen, and dander, ensuring that the air you breathe while cleaning is cleaner. This is particularly beneficial for households that prioritize air quality, especially if anyone in your home suffers from allergies. When it comes to design, this vacuum is lightweight and easy to store. Its compact structure makes it effortless to carry upstairs or lift onto counters for quick cleanups. Once you're done, you can hang it on the wall mount for easy recharging, or simply stand it in a corner without it taking up too much space in your closet or garage. Speaking of convenience, the long-lasting cordless runtime of this vacuum means you can clean your entire home on a single charge. The included wall mount makes recharging a breeze, just hang it up and plug it in when you're finished. One of the most impressive features is the flexibility it offers for cleaning from floors to ceilings. The 180-degree swivel brush head, complete with LED lights, allows you to glide under furniture and around obstacles with ease. And when you need to tackle those hard-to-reach areas, you can detach the handheld unit. It's perfect for cleaning stairs, sofas, car interiors, curtains, and tight corners, thanks to the included crevice tool and dusting brush. So, who is this cordless vacuum suitable for? It's an ideal choice for pet owners, busy families, and anyone looking for a lightweight, versatile cleaning solution. If you have a small apartment or limited storage space, the compact design makes it easy to keep tucked away when not in use. In terms of practical use cases, imagine coming home after a long day, only to find pet hair all over your sofa. With this vacuum, you can quickly grab it, switch to the handheld mode, and have your living space looking spotless in no time. Or perhaps you need to clean your car after a weekend trip. This vacuum makes it simple to tackle the mess without needing to find a power outlet. To sum it up, the cordless vacuum cleaner, with its 6-in-1 functionality, is a powerful, convenient tool that can revolutionize your cleaning routine. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, or just everyday messes, this vacuum has got you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.